Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about FortiGate and SonicWall, and I will help you to decide which network security appliance is better in 2025. So let's start with FortiGate by Fortinel. It is known for high-performance firewalls and deep threat detection. It is widely used in enterprise settings for NGFW or next-gen firewall capabilities. SonicWall, on the other hand, is popular among SMBs and offers a good balance of affordability, security, and ease of use. It also provides NGFW and threat intelligence. So let's break them down. Number 1, performance. Gate devices tends to outperform SonicWall in raw throughput, especially when running full UTM or Unified Threat Management features. Number 2, user interface and management. SonicWall's UI is simple and beginner-friendly, while FortiGate's UI is more complex but powerful with FortiManager and CLI tools. Number 3, security features. Both of them offers IPS, anti-malware, web filtering, and SSL inspection, while FortiGate has an edge with its FortiGuard Labs and threat intelligence and SD-WAN integration. Number 4, cost and licensing. SonicWall is more budget-friendly for small businesses, while FortiGate is pricier but it offers better value at the enterprise level. Number 5, deployment flexibility. Both of them offer physical and virtual firewalls, and FortiGate supports cloud-native firewalls for AWS, Azure, and GCP, while SonicWall focuses more on traditional deployments. So, in summary, you can go with FortiGate if you need advanced protection, high throughput, and enterprise-grade tools, and you can choose SonicWall if you're a small to medium business needing a reliable security at a lower price. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.